Right now we're clearing out the last of the Assyrian villages, so there is some minimal resistance, but we have enough forces to push through today. Cleaned out Tel Nasser yesterday and Rabish, so there's just a few villages left that we have to clean out the mines and a few dash. Other than that, this whole area has been taken care of. We've pushed the mountain line and got on top of Abdullah ISIS. Yes, any air support that we get is appreciated. It helps reduce the casualty rate. Obviously, if you clean out the enemy before we come or destroy their fighting positions, it helps a lot.
I'm Matai from the MFS, the Syriac Military Council. Like we see here, now we are front of Tel Nasri village. Now our friends attacked the village with the heavy weapons, and the American plan helped us. Now our friends, there is special groups for the mines go inside there to clean up the village and make sure there is no mines, no dangerous there. Here in this war, we make before the 15 days. We start from Ras Al Ain city and came to here to Tel Tamer. We talked about 24 villages from their side, and from Hasaka city to about 37 villages, and we reached to here to Tel Tamer city. Tel Nasri village was the last village, was in the ISIS control, under ISIS control. Our friends took 15 days to clean up this area and took Jabal Abdelaziz mountain under their control. Now our friends in Tel Nasri are make sure that there is no mines, like I say, and here in like MFS, YPK, YPG and Sutoro, we are working together, but we laid a lot because we don't have a modern weapons. We wasn't have a modern weapons, but in the last we cleaned up the area. We can everybody can come to here and live again in his house with his family, with his cousin. And in the last, I want to say thank you for America that he helped us.
ناونتویش در وجه کتایرا رد کردن جار جانا هدف دگر جار جانا هدف ندگر فقط گور امکانیانی دخست هم سپاسیا واجی دکن
شهر ما بردوامه ام چاتا جروجما پاکش دکن یعنی ام سرکاتر همین اول را دخوازن رولا بالافر کوالاسیون رول خود دیزه یعنی باشه یعنی تایبتمندی خود یعنی باشه باش تنرفیم
ویجی بشینه اوه دهونی ویجی بشینه دانیز